Here's how to install the kit that lets you use your HD truck rack with your tonneau cover on. It's simple and everything you need is right in the box, except a measuring tape. Grab one of those. Okay, let's get this done. Clean your tonneau rails T-slots and insert 4 T-bolts into each of the tracks on the sides of your cover. Sliding them to the appropriate places, you'll install your OverHaul HD or OutPost HD towers. Place the base pads over the T-bolts, then place the towers over the base pads and the bolts, making sure that the long sides of the tower's bases face each other, like this. Now grab the hardware and install it loosely, with the acorn nuts here and here. Install a locking pin here. Now grab your measuring tape and, starting at the front, measure from the cab to the front tower bases so they are lined up equally. Then position your rear towers and measure them from the front towers so they're equal and allow a crossbar spread of at least 36 inches. Tighten the acorn nuts with the included 13mm wrench. Then tighten the lock nuts with the 4mm wrench that came with your OutPost HD or OverHaul HD. To lock your OutPost HD or OverHaul HD, you'll need to grab your accessory lock housing and remove the underside screw with the T15 Torx wrench. That's it, this part's done. Now finish installing your HD truck rack. For the OverHaul HD and OutPost HD install videos, see the links below. Take it easy.